guys, my name is Eric Wado, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course, and I'm also going to be your instructor for the next 5 days. I am an instructor at Loctech IT Training Institute. I am currently the digital marketing manager at Loctech IT Training Institute, and I'm going to be your guide throughout this journey. But for today, you can just call me Ricky. There's really not much to it. So you're going to be looking at what email marketing is and what campaign creation entails. We're going to be looking at a whole host of things. We're going to be looking at myths about email marketing. Some people believe it's probably not for their business. Some people feel it's something that's not too important. A lot of organizations tend to ignore the power of email marketing and how it can actually help your business scale to much higher levels. So we're going to be discussing email marketing today, and for the next 5 days, we're going to be looking at it in-depthly. We're going to be creating top-notch campaigns. We're going to be looking at how to set everything up, how to build our first lists. And trust me, it's going to be action-packed and it's going to be filled with a lot of value. So be sure to follow us.